In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for blog topics fast and easy. Whether you're an experienced blogger or just starting out, Google Trends can be an invaluable tool for finding trending topics that capture interest and drive traffic to your blog. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide and explore how you can harness the power of Google Trends to find great ideas for your blog. First, we'll need to access Google Trends. Simply open your preferred web browser and perform a quick search for Google Trends. Usually, the first link in the search results will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a wide array of data at your fingertips, ready to be explored. On the Google Trends homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll want to head over to the filter menu to ensure you're searching within a relevant context for your blog. For instance, if your niche is digital marketing, healthy recipes, or travel tips, adjust the search type accordingly to focus specifically on those areas. Making this tweak ensures that you'll be sifting through trends that are pertinent to the content you create. Now find and click on the Explore button. This is where you start refining your search. Once there, you can customize the filters to focus on different parameters, starting with location. You can choose worldwide for a global perspective, or narrow it down to specific countries if your audience is more localized. Next, let's talk about time frame. Choosing the right time frame is crucial depending on your content goals. If you're looking to catch the wave of viral content, setting the time range to the past 7 days is beneficial. On the other hand, if you're aiming for evergreen content that remains relevant over time, the past 12 months option is perfect. This way, you can identify consistent trends that don't dwindle quickly. Don't forget to narrow down the category to your specific niche. If you're blogging about technology, food, or sports, selecting the appropriate category helps refine your search to topics that fit your audience's interests. From here, you can adjust the search type to align it with your content style, ensuring that your blog entries resonate with your readers. An additional feature to explore is the Compare tool, which allows you to evaluate multiple topics simultaneously. By clicking the plus icon, you can add other subjects to see how demand varies between them. This comparison can provide critical insights into which topics are trending upwards and hold more potential for engagement. Finally, after setting all the parameters, glance at the data presented to you. This real-time information helps you discern emerging patterns and potential content angles. It's a goldmine of ideas right at your fingertips. With the right approach, Google Trends can transform the way you strategize your blog posts, leading to increased traffic and reader engagement. Happy blogging, and may your content always be at the forefront of trends.